Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let me take you to the special news. House Republicans dropped Jim Jordan as their nominee for Speaker, stumbling back to square one. Republicans abruptly dropped Rep. Jim Jordan on Friday as their nominee for House Speaker, making the decision during a closed-door session after the hard-edged ally of Donald Trump failed badly on a third ballot for the gavel. The outcome left Republicans dejected, frustrated, and sinking deeper into turmoil. Another week without a House Speaker, bordering on a full-blown crisis. House Republicans have no realistic or working plan to unite the fractured GOP majority, elect a new speaker, and return to the work of Congress that has been languishing since hardliners ousted Kevin McCarthy at the start of the month. U.S. judge unseals plea agreement of key defendant in a federal terrorism and kidnapping case. A U.S. district judge has unsealed a plea agreement for one of the key defendants in a terrorism and kidnapping case that stemmed from a cross-country search for a missing toddler that ended with a 2018 raid on a schooled compound in northern New Mexico. The documents were made public Thursday, just days after a jury convicted 4 other family members in what prosecutors had called a sick end of time scheme. EU discusses Bulgaria's gas transit tax that has angered Hungary and Serbia. The European Commission said Friday it is discussing with Bulgaria its introduction of a fee on Russian gas transits, a measure that has angered EU co-member Hungary as well as Serbia, both recipients of Russian gas. Bulgaria last week introduced the new energy tax on Russian natural gas transfers through its territory. It believes the tax will reduce the privileged position of Russia's state-owned energy company Gazprom in southeastern Europe and deter Russian influence in the region in general. Justin Trudeau says India contravened international law and every country should be worried. All countries should be concerned by India's threat to revoke diplomatic status of Canadian officials there, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said Friday, calling it a violation of international law that could have far-reaching consequences. But India pushed back at that accusation, arguing its decision is on side with the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations and amounts to nothing more than a move to bring the number of diplomats in each country into parity. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.